going on?
We're going by icon. I don't think we'll be able to wait for the any theories of icon. Be sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
So, what have we got?
Oh, it's starting.
Everyone, make a comment and say cheese. Cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. 60 seconds to stop. This morning, Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got patent pending on that.
That was Preston the dog, the robotic dog.
Oh no!
The bad guy, by the way.
Matter of loaf and death.
I've got a frog in my house. Get me down.
The wrong trousers, Gromit.
Oh, that's right enough.
Hey, Wabbit.
6,000 man, capable of over 125 RPM.
That's rabbits per minute.
Well, that went as well as could be expected. Well done, Chuck. Oh, that was riveting.
Ooh, alarm. Ah!
That was riveting.
Was that good?
Yes, that was good.
Well done, Chuck.
Where are we now, Alexander?
We're in the caves. We're about to record a POV in a minute. Add this up into one video, okay?
It's what?
Let's add this up into one video. Can I add it up into one video? And
Is this a wet ride?
yes, this is a water ride.
Yes.
This is so high.
Okay. There we go.
POV plan now. Look at that.
Oh, back to the dinosaurs. Woo!
Oh, fire.
Oh, look, it's a Do You Thinkysaurus.
It's the caveman. Caveman.
Ice Age.
The Ice Age.
Oh, it's got colder. Wave, everybody. Whee!
Nice tunnel. Look up there.
Oh, thousands of stars. It is very peaceful. Ooh.
The Valley of Kings. We're entering Egypt.
Egypt.
Carved out of the sandstone cliff on the west bank of the Nile stand the temples of the Abu Simbel.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look to the statues.
I know.
Oh, look, sarcophaguses. And look there. Look.
The sarcophaguses, I know.
Giant statues.
Tutankhamun.
Look, more giant statues.
Ancient
Jackals. Oh, we're in Tutankhamun's tomb.
Wow.
Now we're in. Oh,
This looks cool.
this is
Look over there.
this is Thailand.
Thailand. Look right here.
This is just what it was like in Thailand when Mummy and Daddy were there.
Really?
Well, nearly.
Oh, monkey in a pot. There's a monkey stuck in a pot.
A monkey stuck in a pot. Ooh. Need to hold on. Elephants.
Oh, and a face carved in the rock.
Snakes.
A face carved in the rock.
Ah!
You don't actually get that wet.
Well, you didn't.
I only got a little bit of my pants wet.
Oh well. about to go on Infusion for the first time. How do you feel?
Confident.
comfort.
I feel a little bit comfortable.
Good, because you're all. It'll be good. It'll be great, and you'll love it.
YouTube, Mummy.
I'm going to do, your POV, your day out at the pleasure beach.
Basically, I've just been on the Revolution and I loved it. But when I went on Infusion, I hated it.
What did you hate about it, though?
It was a bit like the upside down bit and it was a bit risky.
Right. I think Uncle Ross said this about it. I think it's a bit of a beast.
A bit of a beast.
It's a bit of a beast of a ride, is Infusion.
Yeah.
I agree.
I prefer the Revolution.
You prefer it?
Why am my eyes not looking? Why are my eyes not looking at the camera? Now they are. Okay.
I've just had some of your blue raspberry slush.
Okay. And the Revolution is much smoother than it looks.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And it doesn't actually have launched motor tracks. It's got a thing that pushes the ride.
Oh, does it? Is that how it works?
That's how the launch button on the ride works.
And I think is that all of the rides at the pleasure beach that you, apart from one, Valhalla, that's the only ride you've got left to go on.
Apart from all the kiddie rides.
Yeah.
On the Nickelodeon land.
Yeah.
But I've been on all the big rides.
Oh,
except the boat ride Valhalla because.
Yeah.
And I've been on the log flume. I've been on the river cave, which is not big. The log flume has a big splashdown. But Valhalla has a big splashdown. Well, and Valhalla will go down to open next year in 2023.
But yes, Daddy, are you enjoying today?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Brilliant. So, okay, we'll go and. Should we go on the Eddie Stobart next?
I've got a quarter.
You know what? We should go on Icon.
I've got a quarter running on Icon, so we could do Eddie Stobart, have a look at the Grand Prix.
Just to let you know, I went on Infusion a second time and I actually kind of liked it. And by the way, I went on Icon kind of like 3 or 4 times. It's just a launch, it's very good. And especially the drop at the start, very steep. If you guys have been on Icon, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, before we leave, when next time we go to the pleasure beach, on the night riding, we'll definitely go to record the firework display. It's going to be very cool and all that stuff. Thanks for watching.